What's up, squad? Here we are back today at the office of the county attorney, 2660 Riva Road. I just left the office of the state's attorney over there at the circuit courthouse at Church Circle. The lady Carolyn was very ignorant towards me. She attempted to call deputies. How you doing, sir? I'll continue this in one moment. How you doing? I'm here to see the county attorney. I need to drop some documents off to the county attorney.
Do you have an appointment?
No, I was sent over here from the state's attorney.
Your name?
I'd rather not give that, sir.
You have some documents to the county attorney and you're from the state's attorney, and that's all you're telling me.
I don't work for the state's attorney. The state's attorney told me that I needed to come here to file these documents, sir.
Good night.
Good night.
Okay. Not sure what you're being ignorant for. So anyway, Carolyn Gramis, state's attorney, attempted to call the sheriff deputies on me and remove me from the public lobby because she didn't want to help me or give me any help. Luckily, the sheriffs came there and educated her that as long as I'm not breaking any laws, I can come into public property and do what I need to do as long as I'm not doing anything wrong. She can't trespass me. She's not allowed to do that. It's public property. So, thankfully, Sergeant Kish at the sheriff's department let them know and educated them on how things go. What's up?
Are you finished on your phone?
I'm not on my phone, sir.
Well, whatever you're doing, are you finished? Can you listen now?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay.
What do you...
They said to have a seat, and they'll see what they can do.
Okay.
So have a seat.
Okay.
All right? Smart guy?
I'm sorry?
Smart guy.
Why are you calling me a smart guy? Why do you have an
I don't
attitude?
understand why you just can't give me your name. They wanted to know your name, and I said, you'd rather not give it to them. So they said,
Well, sir, respectfully, sir, you asked for my name before you even got on the phone with them, so they didn't want my name, you did.
okay. Because I wanted to tell them, because I know you have a seat.
I know, but that's fine, but why are you getting upset with me, sir?
That's okay. Have a good day.
Why is everyone so rude? I wasn't rude to you, sir. I've called you sir. Why are you calling me smart guy? Can you identify yourself, sir?
No.
No? You don't want to give me your name? But you're working in a public capacity, right?
Sir, please, I have nothing to say really, okay?
Okay. Can you identify yourself?
Hello, Hannah. Good.
Not sure what the issue was.
Yeah, there's a gentleman down here, he's from the state's attorney.
Yeah, I was told to go to the 4th floor, sir.
Documents for the county attorney, and this is not gonna be
Do I have to have an appointment to go upstairs?
Okay. And that's what he's doing now.
Do I have to have an appointment to go upstairs, or what's the issue here?
Would you like to tell him that? Okay. This is the county attorney. Would you like to speak to him?
No, I'd rather not be on the phone, sir.
He doesn't want to get you, he doesn't want to talk on the phone.
That phone's been near your ear. I don't know how, you know what I mean? I don't know what kind of germs you have, sir.
Okay, I'm relaying a message from the county attorney that does not want you in this office.
Okay, well, luckily...
You have no business in this office.
I have business in this office, and luckily his wants don't trump my rights, sir.
Something about his rights.
Let me see the phone, then. Go ahead and put it on speakerphone.
He wants to speak to you now.
You can put it on speakerphone, and I'll talk to him.
I've never put anybody on speaker.
It's that button, right?
All right.
Sir, you there?
Yes, who is this?
Yeah, well, you'll get my name when I come up there and file the paperwork, sir. I was sent here from the state's attorney's office to drop some paperwork off. I was told by Carolyn Gramis to come over here to the Heritage Center at 2660 Riva Road to the 4th floor and to drop off some paperwork. That's what I was told to do, sir.
Okay, well, I think you're in error because there's no paperwork that's dropped off here.
Okay, well, I was told that I drop off my letter of intent to sue here at your guys' office, sir, at the county attorney's office, so.
You're welcome to mail that to us, or you can leave it at the front desk there.
Oh, so now there is paperwork that gets dropped off here, sir.
Well, you've told me it's a notice of intent to sue, and that's correct.
Yeah. Okay, so 2 seconds ago you tried to say, regardless, sir, you tried to say that you didn't want me here. Luckily, your wants don't trump my rights to come in and have the same public They have the same public accessibility that every other private citizen does, sir. Every other private citizen has the right to this, so therefore I do as well. Just because you don't want me here, just because Carolyn called down here and told you that I was coming and you don't want me here, doesn't mean that you can't let me do what I need to do, sir. I have legal business here. And if you stop me from that, then I will be filing one more of these and dropping it off at your office as well. Now, again, I was told that I can come to the 4th floor. I'm sorry?
You're welcome to leave the notice of intent with the gentleman there.
Well, sir, I need this to be stamped and returned to me. I can't just leave it here. I need a stamped copy and returned to me.
No, it's fine to leave it there.
No, I need a stamped copy and return because I need a copy from my record, sir. I need stamped copy and return, so I need proof that you guys received it, and I need my copy back. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, let me talk to the gentleman.
You can speak to whoever you want to, sir. Here, I'll take it off speaker since he doesn't know how. Smart guy. Fucking dumbass.
He still says you're not going up.
Okay, let me ask you a question, sir. Put him back on speakerphone. Now, sir, this is the county attorney's office, right? This is public property, right? This is owned by the county. This is a government building. This is public property, correct?
You're welcome to leave that notice of intent there.
No, sir. I need it stamped. I need it stamped verified, and returned to me, sir.
As I said, I'm not.
Do you guys have a lobby? Do you guys have a lobby up there, sir?
Giving you an answer.
Sir, do you guys have a lobby upstairs?
Thanks for your. I understand what you're saying. And
You don't. You're not answering the question, sir. Do you have a lobby upstairs? Is there a waiting area upstairs? Okay, I'm not going to sit and keep arguing with you. Sir, is there some sort of law that prohibits me from going upstairs, or what is the issue?
No idea.
Okay, all right.
You can't go upstairs, sir.
For why?
Sir, you can't go upstairs.
Again, I just asked you,
You
what...
can't go upstairs.
But,
It's a county where they told me...
okay, sir, this is public property. I was told to come down here by the state's attorney. Just because he doesn't want me here, sir, doesn't mean that I can't drop off the letters and that I'm here to drop off, sir. There's a way to do this, sir. Ma'am, is this office over here open to the public? This office right here, the public comes in here and does stuff? Does the public conduct some sort of business in this office? Okay, thank you. That's all I need to know. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah, so unfortunately, sir, the lady over there just confirmed that the public does come into this building and do business here, so I don't have to stay here at this little check-in.
He was in personnel, and now he's going for...
Yep. Because I have the right to do this like everybody else does, sir. Fuck. This is ridiculous, dude. I'm gonna drop off another one of these when I get up here. Employee, Anne Arundel County Office of Law. So, I guess they locked the door of a public office.
What do you need, sir?
I'm just trying to gain access to this public lobby so I can drop some forms off.
You can drop them off with me.
Okay, but this office is open to the public right here, this lobby, correct?
Yeah, it's.
I just want to confirm that this
You wanna drop
this
something
lobby. Can you identify yourself, sir, since you made contact with me? Hamilton F. Tyler, Deputy County Attorney. Awesome. So this lobby right here is open to the public because I can see the sign says during.
Okay. Well, the purpose of this being, it's not open. The office is not open.
Yeah, I have legal business here, sir.
Yeah.
And
You want to drop something
therefore-
off, and I'm welcome to.
That's
welcome
fine, but
to
I
give
need to
that
sit
me.
down in this office and finish filling out my papers. I have the right to do that, sir. This is public property.
You're not allowed to drop something off.
No, I'm allowed to sit here in this public lobby and
You're
fill it
not.
out, sir. We just had this talk down there at the courthouse.
You're not.
Carolyn Graham down there at the courthouse just got educated. You feel free to do whoever, or call whoever you want, do
If you
whatever
have
you got to
something
do,
to
sir.
drop off, you
Hey,
can
I
do
will.
that.
I'm going to come in. I'm going to open
you're
my.
not gonna fill out
I'm
the
going to
papers
open,
here.
sir. This is a public lobby. I'm going to open my file folder. I'm going to get my files out. I'm going to organize them. I'm going to finish filling them out, and I'm going to turn them in. They're going to be stamped, dated, and returned to me the way
Happy
they're
to give you a
supposed to.
receipt for what you have.
Just because Carolyn called you guys and told you that I was coming down here and you don't want me here doesn't mean that you can refuse service to me to this public lobby.
I'm going to take what you have.
I know, and I'm going to come in.
No, you're not gonna
and
come in
I'm
and
going
fill it
to.
out.
Again,
You're not
why
gonna
are you
fill it out.
refusing me service to this building, sir? This is a public lobby, sir.
We're not your office.
You're right. I'm not. I don't need an
So
office,
you're
sir.
entitled to drop that off or mail
Well,
it. I told you
actually,
that.
sir, I'm a member of the public, and if this is a public lobby, then
No,
yes,
it's
it is
not.
my office, sir.
It is not your office.
Yes, it is,
So I'm
sir.
happy to take what you have if you have it. If not,
Sir,
you
can I
go-
speak to
you
your
can go in
supervisor,
car,
please?
you
Can I speak to your supervisor, please,
No,
sir?
you may not.
Can I speak to your supervisor,
I'm
please,
the
sir?
deputy county attorney. So
Okay, there's obviously somebody ahead of you, sir.
So
There's obviously somebody ahead of you, sir.
you can drop off what you need or leave.
No, sir, I'm not leaving.
Okay.
I'm not. I'm going to come in. I'm going to open my folder. I'm going to organize my documents,
So
and
you're
I'm
not
going to
gonna-
fill
you're
them
not
out the
gonna
way they
use
need
this
to
as
be.
your office. You may go out
No,
in your
you're
car,
right. I'm going to use it as a
fill out
public
whatever
lobby
you
because
need.
that's what it is, sir. I'm going to
No,
use it
you're
for
not.
its
This is
intentions,
not
sir.
for the- this is not
I'm
for
going to
the
use
public.
it for its intended purposes, sir.
No, the lobby is not.
The
intended
lobby
for
is
people
open to the public,
to fill
sir.
out forms.
It's open to the public,
This
sir.
isn't a- this
It's
isn't
open
a
to the public, sir.
office for the public.
You're right. The offices aren't public, but this lobby is, sir.
No,
This
it's
lobby is. Yes, it is, sir.
It is not.
Yes, it is, sir.
Okay, so I'm not going to argue with you.
You're right.
If
There's
you'd like
you
to-
don't
if
have
you'd
an
like to drop
argument, sir.
something off,
You're right. You don't have an
you may
argument,
drop it
sir.
off.
You don't have an argument, sir. This lobby is open to the public, sir. Sir, stop. Please don't touch me,
No,
sir.
you're touching me.
Sir, you're touching
I'm
me.
gonna
I'm
close
trying to
this
open this
door.
door and go into this public lobby. Please don't touch me again, sir.
I didn't touch you.
You did.
You may
Please
not
don't
come
touch
in-
me
you may
again.
not come in here.
Please don't obstruct
unless
my.
you have
Please
some-
don't
you have to
obstruct
have
my
some
walkway.
business.
I do have business here, sir, and I told you multiple times I have business here.
You do not.
I do. Just because you don't think I have business here or you don't want me to have business here doesn't mean I don't have business here, sir. You can call Carolyn down there at the district
no.
court. I'm sorry, the circuit court, and see
I
how this just
understand
went for
what-
her,
I
sir.
understand what you're saying.
You're not understanding
Give
what
me
I'm
whatever
saying.
you want to give me.
No, I'm going
I'm
to come
happy
into
to
this
take
public
it.
lobby and do what I need to do, sir. Just because you think that I can't come in here doesn't mean that I can't come in here. And because you don't want me in here doesn't mean that I can't come in here, sir. If it was a private office, then you're right. I couldn't come in here. But this lobby right here is open to the public. Your offices are not. I can't go back in your office and sit there and record you sitting there at your thing. But I can come into this public lobby if I need to, sir. Yes, I can.
you
That's
need to
how it
fill out
works,
your
sir.
forms.
No. Sir, that's not how it works. This lobby is open to the public. I have the right to come in and organize my paperwork and drop it off the same way every other private citizen does, sir. You do not have the right to just deny me of that service.
All right. Give me a minute.
No, there's
I'll-
no
I'll
minute,
be
sir.
right back.
There's no minute, sir.
So,
I'm coming in and
first of all,
sitting
I forgot
down.
my mask when I came out here.
That's
which I need-
fine.
Which I need to go put on.
You can do whatever you want, sir.
So
You do whatever you want, sir.
close the
I'm
door,
gonna no.
I'll be right
You can
back.
close the door, but I'm gonna be on that side of it, sir.
You're going to be on that
No,
side.
I'm gonna be on that side of it and
Alright.
sitting down in that
Oh.
chair.
Call security.
You can call whoever you want, sir. Again, this is a public lobby, sir. This lobby right here is open to the public. They come here and they get help.
All right, sit down and do whatever you like.
These people get
No,
help from the
sit
county
down and
attorney's
fill out
office.
whatever form
I
you
am,
like.
sir, and I'll do it at my own leisure.
Happy to take that.
I'll do it at my own leisure.
But you're not going to sit in here.
I'll do-
You don't have an appointment.
First off, I don't need an appointment to come in here, sir. I don't need an appointment to drop off the paperwork that I am, sir. Let's get that straight. I don't need an appointment to drop off any paperwork here.
Consent to being filmed.
You don't, sir, you work for the public. I don't need your consent. There's no expectation of privacy in public, sir.
Don't leave there.
This is a First Amendment protected activity,
I'm
sir.
going to get my mask.
You can get your mask, you can get your manager, you can get whatever you want, sir.
I'm fine.
You can get the National Guard if you want to. Because unfortunately, you're wrong, sir.
It's not necessary.
Hamilton, great name, sir. You're wrong. I don't know why y'all act like dickheads when I fucking come somewhere. I came here and tried to be nice to the guy downstairs. Y'all just act like jackasses. It's ridiculous, dude. At some point, y'all motherfuckers are gonna learn. Stop acting like assholes. I have the same rights that every other private citizen has, Hamilton. You'd be good to remember that. Hey, how you doing? I know you guys don't like me because Carolyn called down here, but I'm usually not a mean person, ma'am.
All right, fill what you need.
Sir, I am. Please don't rush me. There's no time limit in this public lobby. Please don't rush me. Again, just because you don't want me here doesn't mean I can't be here, sir. Let's get that straight, Hamilton. There's now going to be a new one of these filed just for the fact that you tried to do that. It's sad. A bunch of adults got to act like this. I try to be nice to you people. Like, hey, how you doing? How's everyone doing? Happy holidays, da-da-da-da-da. No, I get called smart guy. I get treated like shit. Just in case you don't like my language, Cochrane View, California, 1971, Mr. Deputy Attorney. Fucking dumbass. Here's the first of many, sir. I would like this stamped, copied, and returned to me. What's sad, Hamilton, is that I even have to act like that just to get the same help that every other citizen wants. Just because I'm suing you guys doesn't mean you get to treat me like shit. I'm only suing you guys because you treated me like shit in the first place.
Be right back, sir.
Thanks, Hamilton.
All right, here you go.
Thanks, sir. I'll let you know as soon as I'm done with these other ones. Oh, don't worry, Hamilton. Once I realized I could come down here and file these myself, that was all I needed, buddy. So I got a couple of these to put in. know that dollar amount is not a mistake either. So who takes ownership of the bailiffs? It's not the sheriffs, it's not the state. Technically the courthouse employees, so that would be your guys', so would I just Anne Arundel County?
They are state.
So I would just state of Maryland as the defendant?
I cannot give you legal advice.
Okay. Should I be putting my name and stuff at the top of this? I should be putting my name up there so you guys, like, at least like my address or phone number or something so you guys have a way to contact me, I guess, right?
I can't give you legal advice.
Okay. Well, for the purposes,
Fill out, I will take-
for the purposes of your office contacting me, how is it that you would like to leave my contact information, sir?
That's up to you, how you want to be contacted.
Okay. Where would you like me to leave my contact information, sir? Should I leave it at
You
the Should I leave it at the
provide-
top of
Provide the way you want to be contacted.
Should I leave it at the top of every notice, or should I leave just one card, or how would you like to be notified of my method of notification, sir?
However you like to do it.
Okay, I'll leave it at the top of these, but then I'll have to have these certified. You still have the other one I gave you, right?
I do.
Alright, cool. I just want to make sure.
Who do you need?
Alright. But you still have one that needs to be stamped and returned, right?
Correct.
Alright, cool. I just want to make sure. Just wanted to make sure. Sure I got all of them in order here. There is the one that just happened. Carolyn. That is for my car. to file one of these, can I put my name instead of the top there? If I was to file one of these letters of intent to sue, and I was going to drop it off for the Annapolis City Police Department, that would be at City Hall out there with the city clerk, correct? Or would I still do that here?
We're not in the city.
No, that's what I want to make sure. I'm asking you, I guess, but from human, I'm asking you a question. Then when I fill that out, I get City Hall
I
with the.
don't know where you service the city.
Okay, thank you.
It is separate from the county.
That's
That
what I-
much I'm sure of.
Okay, cool. I just want to make sure. Filling more out here. I got one more actually, I'm sorry. Detective Lewis. I knew there was one more I had to fill out. Now, if I have an internal affairs investigation going for one of these, should I put that report number? Would that help you guys? Would you guys like that?
Whatever you want to put is fine.
Okay. Thank you, thank you. And that, folks, is how you stand up for yourself and make sure that people aren't violating your rights to come in here and have the same opportunity and access to public facilities and things that other private citizens have. As long as we're not breaking any laws, we shouldn't be denied access to these things at all, or any of these services. Stand up for yourself. Don't allow people to bully you. Do I have my notepad? Awesome. And then, so you said that you were the deputy county attorney, so there's no one that presides over you?
There is, but I'm authorized to take these.
No, I wasn't worried about that. I just wanted to make sure who it was that I contacted in regards to filing a complaint on you next.
Okay.
Let me look for my pen. Where did I just put that bad boy? Sorry, I got a medical condition. Makes me lose my brain sometimes. And your supervisor would be?
The county attorney,
And that is?
Gregory Swain.
Gregory, and how you spell his last name?
Swain.
Gregory Swain. Okay, cool. County attorney. For what it's worth, Hamilton, I really wasn't trying to come here and like cause a stink of doing that. I really was just trying to drop these off. I don't know why Carolyn called over here and made like a huge scene and made it out to be like I was some bad person just because I stood up for myself. As you can tell, I'll stand up for myself when I'm, when people are wrong.
People just drop them off at the front desk. Is why.
No, I know, but I wanted them to be stamped, and that way I have proof, because the police department has tried to say multiple times that I didn't turn in documents or mail them and things like that. So that way I videotape, and now I get stamped proof that So that way, dash cam footage and internal affairs statements and stuff like that don't just go missing into like a void. That's all. But I mean, just because someone else does something another way doesn't mean that you can, refuse me to do it this way. Now, I could see if like it wasn't allowed to be done this way, then it'd be different. But just because other people might do it that way doesn't mean that I'm not allowed to do it this way, sir.
I have your documents.
I know. I was just making sure that you understood that, sir. As an attorney for this county that I live in, I would hope that you would, know the law and be able to serve me as well as, you should be able to. That's all. So maybe we should do some more research or break the books out. Have a good one, Hamilton.
All right.
And there it is, folks. We don't allow people to bully us and tell us how we're allowed to conduct our business. You don't get the right to do that. Lawful citizen, not breaking any laws right now. That last word right now is key, but right now I'm lawful. Oh, it's broken. You want to identify yourself now, sir? You work for the public, don't you, sir? You work for the public, don't you, sir?
We can do this all day. I got till 5 o'clock.
You want to see how high we can lift it? Let's see how high we can lift it. You ready? See how high we can lift it. Dumbass. You want to identify yourself now? That's all. I'm just trying to file a formal complaint on you, sir. I just need your name so I can identify you. Can you identify at least who you work for so I know how to file a complaint on you, sir? This thing's like, isn't public property back here? You can run away back here? This is public property, sir. Can you identify yourself so I can file a complaint on you, sir? If you just identify